In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Facebook ads from one ad account to another, all in just 5 minutes. Now, transferring your ads might sound a bit intimidating at first, but I promise by the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to do it yourself. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not familiar, simply open your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager and click on the link provided by Facebook itself. Once there, you'll need to click on Go to Ads Manager. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. After inputting your credentials, go ahead and click on Login. Once you're logged into Facebook Ads Manager, you'll be taken directly to your campaign's dashboard. This is where all your current ad campaigns are housed. Here, you want to select the specific campaign you wish to transfer. Clicking on it will highlight your choice, and from there you'll see a More option. Give that a click and there should be an option to export. When you click export, you'll have a few choices. You can choose to export all campaigns, only the selected ones, or customize the export to your liking. After deciding which option suits you best, you'll then need to choose the format for your export. This could be an XLSX, CSV, or text format depending on what you prefer or what software you plan to use next. Once you've made your selection, click on Export. With the file downloaded, the next step is to open another Facebook Ads Manager account. Again, get yourself logged in and navigate to the campaign's dashboard as before. On this new account's dashboard, look for the More option again, and this time click on Import Ads in Bulk. This feature allows you to transfer the ads you've just exported into this new account. You'll then need to choose the file you exported earlier. Click on Choose File, navigate through your device to find your recently saved export, select it, and click Upload. Once the file upload is complete, your final step is to click Import. This action will bring all those ads into your new ad account ready for you to manage just like before. And there you have it, you have successfully transferred your Facebook ads from one ad account to another. This method can save you time and effort, especially when managing multiple accounts or making structural changes to your advertising strategies. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.